Income and expenditure account and receipts and payments account part 2 problems and solutions. Dear students, today we will solve an illustration on how to prepare income and expenditure account when receipts and payments account and the related transactions and adjustments are given. Illustration. From the following receipts and payments account of charitable institution and the further information supplied, prepare an income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2021. The receipts and payments account is given here. To balance, cash on current accounts 5400, cash in office 2300, total 7700 on the receipts column. And on the receipts column, other receipts are also given: to donations, to subscriptions, to endowment fund receipts, to legacies, to interest on investments, to interest on deposits, to sale of old furniture. Total receipts coming to 50,425. And on the payment side, all the payments are given: by charities 14,500, by staff salaries, by rent and taxes, by printing and stationery, by postage, by advertisements, by purchase of furniture, by investments, by advance against contract for extension of the premises. And finally, it is balanced by balance: cash on current account 8,000, cash in office 2,725, and total payments are coming to 50,425. On the left side, here are the adjustments. It was decided to treat one half of the total amount received on account of legacies and donations as income. Rupees 200 were owing for rent, rupees 300 for staff salaries, and rupees 50 for advertisements at the end of the financial year. Interest on investments rupees 500 had accrued but was not received. Now with this information, we need to prepare income and expenditure account after considering the adjustments given on the left side. Let us solve the problem. Solution to the above illustration. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2021. On the expenditure side, to charities 14,500, to staff salaries from the receipts and payments account 2,600. From the adjustments outstanding and salaries, we have to add to this figure, and a total coming to 2,900 for salaries in the outer column. To rent and taxes 1,200 from the receipts and payments account, and add outstanding is not yet paid 200, totaling to 1,400 in the outer column. To printing and stationery 300 rupees. To postage 100 rupees. Advertisements 100 rupees from the receipts and payments account, and add outstanding 50, totaling to 150 rupees in the outer column. Excess of income over expenditure 1,650. This is balancing figure after recording income on the other side. Income now items: by donations 8,000 from the receipts and payments account, less half of this amount is not income, so we have to deduct 4,000 and 4,000 in the outer column. By subscriptions 4,000 rupees. By legacies 6,000 rupees. Half of this is not an income as per the adjustments, so we will deduct 3,000, and balance 3,000 we will put it in the outer column. By interest on investments 9,500, add due but not received 500, adding up and totaling 10,000 rupees. So on the total income is coming to 21,000. When we balance the income and expenditure account, excess of income over expenditure is coming to 1,650. So this is the solution. Note, in the above solution, please note that the item of capital receipts and capital expenditure have been omitted, and that outstanding income and expenses have been brought into account, as the capital receipts and capital expenditure will go to balance sheet. In the next lecture, we will solve another illustration on receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet when opening balance sheet and the related transactions and adjustments are given.